In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add user profiles in Glide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn on user profiles so your app can keep a clean, organized list of the people who access it. This is great for personalization, permissions, and basic analytics. First, head over to Glide in your browser. You'll need to be signed in to continue, so log into your account using your usual method. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your projects live. Open the project you want to edit. Take a quick moment to confirm you've opened the correct one, especially if you manage multiple apps, so your changes go to the right place. Inside your project, look for the Settings area. It's typically represented by a gear icon. Open Settings, then select the Access section. This is where you control how people get into your app. Change the access to public and enable the option that requires a user profile. Setting access to public means anyone with the link can open your app. Requiring a user profile ensures Glide creates and maintains a profile entry for each person who signs in, which is what powers personalization and user-level features. This combination makes your app easy to access while still tracking who's using it. If your app already shows public, just make sure the required user profile option is turned on. Remember, even with public access, handling user information responsibly is important, so only collect what you need. Next, look to the left sidebar and click the Add icon. From the options that appear, choose Users. This adds a dedicated users area to your data, which Glide uses as the home for user profiles. Think of it as your central directory of people who interact with your app. Now, open the Users section. You'll see the user profiles for people who have accessed your app. Depending on your configuration, Glide may show details like a display name, an email, a photo, or timestamps. This view makes it easy to confirm that profiles are being created as people come in. If your app is new, this list may be empty at first. It will populate as more people access it over time. That's it. You went to Glide, signed in, opened your project, set access to public with user profiles required, added the user section from the left sidebar, and viewed the profiles of people who accessed your app. With that in place, you're ready to build features that respond to who's signed in, all from a reliable user directory.